Good morning to one and all. Today you are going to learn about trigonometric identities. Trigonometry. This is divided into two parts. One is trigono, another one is metry. Trigono means triangle. Metry means measure. So it deals with measurement of triangle in trigonometry. So a triangle has three sides and three angles. How it will be related in trigonometry, all those things you are going to see. So next one, identity. Identity. An equation which is true for all values of the variable involved is called identity. You already know algebraic identities. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 3ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So likewise, several identities are there in algebra. Likewise, next one, trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Then what is meant by trigonometric identities? So an equation which involves the trigonometric ratios of an angle and is true for all the values of the angle is called trigonometric identities. So in these trigonometric identities there are several types are there. What are they means? First one, trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Second one, trigonometric table values. Trigonometric table values. Table values. Next one, complementary angles. Reciprocal relation. Quotient relation. And square relation. This all those topics you already learned in lower class also. So in this one, this all those things how to use in sums, you will be learned that one. So next one, square relation formula. Square relation formula. The fundamental square relation formulas are there means how many are there means there are three. What are they means? First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is first identity. Next one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is second one. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. There are these three only major identities. From this one only, again 2 to allied identities are there. From this one again 2 is there, another one 2 is there, another one is there, 2 is there. Total there are 9 identities are there. So this identity how to use in solve, how to use in sums, all those things you will be learned. For example, prove that 1 by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin theta whole divided by 1 minus 2 cos square theta. For example, take this example. Prove that 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Here already is there, equal there. Therefore, this one equation is only. So, angles are came. This is related with the trigonometric identities only. So, in this one, left hand side is there, right hand side is there. So, how to find out this one? How to prove this one? Solution. So, you take the LHS. LHS equal to 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta. So here see, denominator is different. So take LCM of both terms. So how to take that one? Just multiply this one. 1 into sin theta minus cos theta. 1 multiply with this term, this will become middle plus is there. Again multiply with this term. So this like this one multiply means 1 into sin theta plus cos theta whole divided by again multiply this one. This one multiply means sin theta plus cos theta multiply with this term. Sin theta minus cos theta. Next step. Here see all addition and subtraction only there. Minus cos theta plus cos theta cancel. That is 0. After sin theta plus sin theta, 2 sin theta there. 2 sin theta whole divided by, this is which format is there, means a plus b into a minus b is nothing but that identity a square minus b square format we are using. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square here instead of a, here sin square theta minus b square is nothing but cos square theta. So this is there. Next one, this implies, see here, in denominator 1 minus cos, 1 minus 2 cos square theta is there. So here sin square theta is there. In terms of cos, you change it. We are already having the one identity. Which identity is there means? Next one. That identity using sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We want to change sin square theta only. You keep it sin square theta. This one transposing means, so sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of sin square theta, you can able to write 1 minus cos square theta. You write this one. So 2 sin theta divided by 1 minus, instead of sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. So next step, you see here, both terms are the same terms. You just add, sin is minus is there, 2 sin theta divided by 1 minus, here 1 is there, here 1 is there, minus 1, adding is minus 2 cos square theta. This is only RHS here came, therefore we proved this is equal to RHS, hence proved. Hence proved. Fine. So next we will see another example. That is also very easy only. Second example, prove that under square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So how to prove this one? Solution. Here LHS is there, RHS is there. LHS terms are more there. You take LHS. So LHS is equal to under the square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So in this denominator you see, we already known conjugate of a plus b is nothing but conjugate of A plus B is A minus B. The same likewise conjugate of 1 minus cos theta. So conjugate of 1 minus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta. So in this one, numerator and denominator multiply by 1 plus cos theta. So after a second step, under the square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into, so take that one under square root of cos theta, 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So multiplying means what will be happen? Means here see, we already know x into x is nothing but x square, same only 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square. So under the square root of 1 plus cos theta whole square, here a minus b into a plus b format is there, that is nothing but a square minus b square. A square minus b square is nothing but 1 square minus b square is here 1 cos square theta. After next step, here see very easy. Next this after this step is equal to, here see 1 square nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. On using which identity I am using means using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this one you transfer this one means sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Instead of 1 minus cos square theta, we can able to write sin square theta. So the step is changing into under the square root of 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. Instead of 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but change into sin square theta, because under the using the identity we can able to write. After this we already know a by b whole power m is equal to a power m divided by b power m. Likewise here see the square root will be goes to this one also. Therefore this one here cancel, here it will be cancelled. 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. So after this sin theta goes to here also it will be go. So therefore we are separating means 1 by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta. We already know the reciprocal formula of 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta, and quotient relation formula cos theta divided by sin theta is cot theta. So that one you are using here cosecant theta plus cot theta. So this is only RHS we proved. So equal to RHS, hence proved. Are you understand? I think this is very easy. Next one, practice work I will give. You properly prepare and come. Okay. Let's practice on. This is practice for you. Practice 1. First one. Prove that solution 1 sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Solution 2 under the square root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. So this one you prepare well and come. Thank you.